How to delete a note on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete notes on Facebook app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to see your notes, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and head over to your profile like this. And just give it a quick refresh and it will show you your current note, which is this little bubble icon on your profile. Just tap on it. And now if you want to replace the note or edit it, you can do this. Or if you want to completely delete your note, just tap on delete note like so. You could also do this from your Messenger app. So you could just open up your Facebook Messenger. And if you have added any note, it would show up right here and you could delete it from here as well. So that's pretty much it. Hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.